Hi, today we'll be working on lesson 4 for first graders. Okay, so the first page will be about writing the sums and differences. So on the top, it will tell you how much you add or subtract. So like for number 1, you have to add 1. For number 2, you have to add 3. For number 4, you have to subtract 1. And for number 5, you have to subtract 0. So that's what you need to do. So like for example, for 4, you add 1, so you get 5. So now we just go down the line. So we add 1 to 2, and uh, that becomes 3. Then you add 1 to 0, that becomes 1. And then finally you add 1 to 5, and that will become 6. In number 2, this time you add 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 3 plus 0 is 3. This time we'll do the subtracting. So we subtract 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we'll try number 6 as well. So this time we subtract 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then there's a puzzle right here. How many pictures of that can you find in the picture? Finish the puzzle to find the answer. So like you have to find stuff that look like this, and I can already see one here and here, but I'll let you do this by yourself if you want. Okay, so the next will be about writing number sentences. So you just gotta count the number of uh, animals on the left side of the addition sign and on the right. So first there's 3 on the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 on the right. So now we add everything, and that's 7. Okay, number 2, there's 5 fish on the left this time, and there's 2 on the right. So 5 plus 2 is also equal to 7. We'll try number 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 snakes on this side, and 1, 2, 3. 3 snakes on the other side, so 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, number 6. We have 2 ants on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay, now there's 4 and 4. So it's 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, again, the next page will also be about writing numbers or addition number sentences. So first we count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the right. So in total there are 9 butterflies. And the question asks how many butterflies are there in all. So we just put 9. And in all means a total. Number 2, there's 2 green butterflies here and 3 green butterflies on the other side. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And this time it asks how many green butterflies are there altogether. So altogether also means total. So in all, altogether, and the total number, they all mean the same thing. So for number 2, it will be 5. Okay, number 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the right. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So what is the total number? 12 butterflies. Okay, number 4. There's be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red butterflies. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red butterflies on the right. So 6 plus 5 will be equal to 11. So how many butterflies are there in all? There will be 11 butterflies in all. So addition word problems. So we just gotta add according to the word problem. So number 1, Jason saw 6 birds. So we have to write 6 in the beginning. And then he saw 2 more birds. So we add 2. And it says how many birds did he see in all. So now we gotta add these 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And we can put the addition sign right here. Okay, number 2. So it says Katie has 5 turtles. So we have 5 right here. And then I'm guessing her friend Marco has 2 turtles as well. So we have to put the addition sign and 2. And then the question asks how many turtles do they have altogether? So again, we just add. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 turtles. So they have 7 turtles altogether. Okay, number 3 says Pedro has 4 dogs. So we write 4, and then it says Gary has 3 dogs, and what is the total number of dogs? So again, we must add Gary's dog and Pedro's dogs to find the total number of dogs. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And just for more practice, we'll go back and do some more. So number 3. So there's 1 ladybug on the left and 6 ladybugs on the right. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. And then number 5, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ladybug or bugs on the left and 1 bug on the right. So 7 plus 8 or 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And then we'll just do subtracting by 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So if you add or subtract by 0, the answer will always be that number. So like 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. But that's the same thing for adding. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 0 is 5. So that